Make a great choice today with the 2013 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power driver's seat, backup camera, remote engine start, air conditioning, auto express down window, hands-free link system, cruise control, passenger airbag, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.